Looks like there's a plaque up here we can take a look at. Shows a little bit of history about the iron furnace that we seen up there. So, all right, here it is. Okay, the plaque here says that every 12, a lot of gnats flying around, every 12 hours, 3 to 5 tons of molten iron were tapped from the furnace base. And it says carefully weighed charges of charcoal, iron, and limestone were dumped in the furnace stack, while a continuous blast of air was injected into the furnace base. So that furnace was able to produce, you know, 6 to 10 ton every day of molten iron. So that's really cool that this place is still standing after all these years. Okay, we have arrived here. Just up from Freedom Falls is this great big structure made out of barnstone. And what this is, it used to be an old furnace. We think it's to make iron. So it's pretty big. If you're planning on going to this site, you may want to bring some hiking shoes. Wow, this is cool. Wow. Wow, that is really neat. All right, as soon as I get somebody around here to get Cosmo, we are going to go up and see what's in there. Really neat.
I was telling Bonnie that, have you ever seen those rocks that are, they have holes in them, if you break them open, there's color, like orange and blue and stuff?
Uh-huh.
That's from these.
Oh, yeah?
I guess they would take that out and just like dump it anywhere, because
wow.
it's just a rock. I'm trying to see if I can find it.
This is actually kind of creepy.
It is.
Wow.
Climb up in there. You can go in
yeah.
the room.
Wow. Alright, this is kind of creepy. Holy smokes. Oh. Wow. Yeah, this is kind of creepy in here. Looks like, you know, rocks cemented in here, I guess. And evidently there was some kind of a, you know, they heated metal up, or ore, I guess, and made iron out of it. I'll have to get some more information about this. I was hoping there'd be a plaque here, but really cool. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. Wish I had a magnet. It looks like metal. I don't know what that is. It's smooth, like glass almost. Huh. There's definitely a coating on the inside of this. I don't know what it is. But yeah, it's a little creepy in here. It's cool. It's nice and cool. Alright, we're gonna head back out. There's another opening on the other side. We'll take a look at it. Okay, here's the other opening. It doesn't, this might be where they actually built the fire. I'm not really sure. But really cool. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do some more research on this. And but a really cool place to visit. And down here, I think, is where they used to have water running through here, maybe. And this is where they'd have a water wheel turning. Not exactly sure. But this is all made out of barnstone. this trench. And over here's another trench. I'm not sure what that does. It might be some kind of a, I'm not really sure, a holding tank or something. Really cool though. There's Bonnie, Haley, and Cosmo down in the creek. Getting cooled off. A little warm today. And right there's Freedom Falls. Like I said, it's not very far away. So, really, really cool place to visit. I highly recommend it. If you are ever up in this part of the state, come on over and visit it. It's all free. So yeah, that is spectacular. Really awesome. Okay, we just found, actually Colton found this rock laying outside here of potentially where the opening of the furnace has opened up here. And we're finding these really cool multicolored, I think they're rocks, I'm not exactly sure what that is, but we think it's coming from the furnace. Oh yeah, it's blue. See, I thought somebody spray painted inside there, but it's different colors.
Yeah.
Huh.
Pretty that one.
That is really neat.
Like this one's all white right here. I can't get it out though, it's deep.
Yeah. We're excavating.
Excavators.
Here's a piece, look at this one.
Oh wow.
It's a real, that almost looks like glass.
It almost does.
Huh, probably because it is. Hey, here's a piece. Wow. That is really cool.
Yeah, my uncle told me that. I was like, where do these rocks come from? He's like, oh, they're out of the glass.
Yeah, they look like they're from outer space.
I want to see what this one's like, but it's so deep.
See, there's some brick. I don't know if this just washed down here from when they...
My uncle said they used to take like the dump trucks, like all the excess of this stuff, and just dump it next to like rivers and stuff.
Oh, yeah?
It's like next to the rivers where you find these at.
Huh.
There's
Really
one
cool.
like it too.
I hope you enjoyed part 2 of this 3-part series about Rockland, PA. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, press that bell icon so you get all the latest content. Part 3 is going to be out next week, so stay tuned for that. But until then, you know my saying, be safe, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you out on the road. Take care, folks.